Congressman Erisa, as we mentioned earlier, Malacanang has already given out a statement raising the question of a possible redundancy dito sa pinopropose niyong bagong commission, saying that there is already the Office of the Ombudsman, the DOJ, the NBI. How do you respond to that comment from the palace?
Well, yung Office of the Ombudsman will be investigating all government anomalies. Maraming complaints from several 1,000 plus local governments, agencies of governments. Pero itong ICI na ito is dedicated to the investigation of 10 years projects from 2016 to 2025, kung saan especially the last 3 years kung saan nagkaroon tayo ng mga insertions, amendments and diversions na napunta sa mga flood control projects at mga ghost projects. Ito yung iimbestigahan ng very specific at very powerful people. Nakita mo naman, senador, mga cabinet officials. Pagka sa ombudsman natin iaasa ito at dadaan ito sa mga preliminary investigation na napakatagal, I don't think that lalo na ngayon na yung mga sinasabi, mga allegations ay kumakatok na sa pintuan ng Malacanang. Baka hindi maging truly independent o baka hindi maging because alam naman natin si Ombudsman Remulla was appointed at ipinili talaga ng ating Pangulo.
And speaking... go ahead, sir. Sorry for cutting you off.
And yung, for example, dito sa ICI, yung mga investigators are from the PNP, Philippine National Police. Yun yung mga nag-iimbestiga. Sabi ni General Asurin, they were able to inspect 30,000 projects parang hindi ka panipaniwala yung ganong kabilis na inspection, baka tinignan lang. Pero yung mga pulis ang inuutusan, wala yatang technical capability to determine what is a substandard or what is a ghost project. Talagang at ang PNP is under naman ni TILG Secretary Remulla. So the Remullas are in control of the investigation kung wala na ang ICI.